Hello! In this video, I'll be going over the Scan BodyViewer interface. As we begin, we're presented with the female model. If we click and drag with our left mouse button, we can rotate her in any direction. If we roll with the middle mouse button, we can zoom in and out. And if we hold the Alt key down on the keyboard while we drag, we can move the model. So this way you can get any view that you like quickly and easily. Up on the top left, we have arrow keys that do the same thing as clicking and dragging with your mouse. You can zoom in and out, and you can roll. Below that, we have the ability to change between the male model and the female model. And below that, we have the anatomy slider. With this slider, you can see that as we go down, we can go through all the different layers of anatomy on this particular model. Below the slider, we have a little button that lets us toggle between sliding the entire collection and sliding each system individually. And this is a little more convenient because you can turn on and off just certain systems. If you're not interested in seeing the organs, but you want to see the circulatory system, you don't want to see the lymphatic system or the nerves or whatever, you're able to do that in this mode. Now at any time on your screen, if you click on a piece of anatomy, it will highlight. Everything else will become a little transparent, and over on your right it'll tell you what you have highlighted. With something highlighted, if I go back up to my top left and I click on this little center button, it will center my view on whatever I have selected. By clicking anywhere else on the screen, it will unselect what I had selected. And now if I click that center button, it'll go back to my original view. Over on your right, at the top, we have a search bar, which I can use to find any piece of anatomy I happen to be looking for. By typing it in, it'll come up with every item that has that word in it, so humerus left and right. And again, we can zoom in on that particular item by clicking the center button. And clicking anywhere else will unselect. Once we're done using the search mode, we click the little X and the entire hierarchy will reappear. We can also search for items through the hierarchy, going up and down through the different layers of anatomy. And again, centering on that view will show you what we have selected. So that's just a simple overview of the interface of Scan's BodyViewer.